Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin now by plugging in the external drive or confirming the network path. Make sure it has ample free space. Once connected, open Settings Update and Security Backup, or go to Control Panel Backup and restore to access both file history and system image options. You choose based on need. File history for personal files and frequent checkpoints, or system image when you want an exact clone of Windows and all installed programs. Start the chosen tool to proceed. Once in the Backup tool, pick precisely what to protect. Include documents, desktop, and custom folders while excluding bulky temporary media so backups remain fast. Then schedule automated backups daily or weekly so you get consistent restore points without manual effort. Make sure retention settings keep enough versions but don't exhaust space. If you chose System Image, select all required drives and confirm the destination. Verify free space and enable verification. You should run the initial backup manually and watch the progress so you learn timings and spot immediate errors. Once complete, verify by browsing backed up files or mounting the system image and restoring one small file to confirm integrity. If something goes wrong, check the external drive's health and file system. Ensure you have right permissions and enough free space, and retry. If corruption persists, reformat the destination drive after copying any salvageable data and run the backup again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.